Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a blessed day, and today in the kitchen I will be sharing a recipe for Guyanese squash with chicken stew. To get started, here I have my chicken already seasoned, and I did went ahead and diced my squash. I have some green onions, garlic and ginger, tomatoes. I'll be using some yellow onions. I have some brown sugar, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning. I have some cilantro and some tomato sauce. So here's how I prepped and seasoned my chicken. First, I cut them in bite sizes, cleaned, removed the skin, and washed in lemon juice. And here I have my new favorite sauce. I found this at the Asian store, guys, and it is so delicious. I put this in almost everything because you know when you want to add color to your food or stuff, instead of using soy sauce that's so salty or browning that's so bitter, you know, this is the perfect sauce. It kind of tastes like Chinese sauce from Chief's Chinese sauce, but better. And if you can find it, I urge you guys to try it. I'll be using some of my green seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, paprika, and some complete seasoning. Let's get started. Add all the ingredients to the chicken, mix until well combined, and let it sit and marinate for about 1 hour. If you're new to my channel, I want to wish you a warm welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, I want you to consider doing so. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. In my preheated wok, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'll add the chicken. I will allow the chicken to brown up a bit. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the chicken is partially brown, we'll sit the lid on and allow the chicken to release its juices. This will take about 10 more minutes. So what I did was allow the chicken to release those juices, and then I let the juices evaporate. So what we're left with here is the chicken and a little oil. What we'll do next is add our aromatics. We will mix well and allow it to go for about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, this is looking perfect. All those aromatics have melted nicely into that chicken, and it is time for us to add our tomato sauce. We will give that a good stir, then we'll add our squash. We will also add our seasonings here to add flavor and taste to the dish. Then we'll sit the lid on and allow the squash to cook until it is nice and tender. So 10 minutes in, you want to give this a check. And as you know, squash is a very watery vegetable. It has a lot of moisture. So as you can see, it has produced a lot of liquid. So what we'll do here is leave this uncovered so that some of that liquid can evaporate. Once your squash is nice and tender and most of that liquid has evaporated, that's how you know it's done. I like a little sauce in my squash because this is a stew and I don't like my squash dry. So this is perfect for me. Now I'll add my green onions, and that's it, guys. super simple and easy to make this, and it is so delicious. Now I'll plate this up and I'll be back with the finished product. So today I'll be enjoying my squash and chicken stew with some plain white rice, some tomatoes and lettuce. Very simple. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!